Hello students, today we will learn about working with Windows 7. Computer is a machine that cannot think on its own and requires instructions from us. The most important program of a computer is the operating system. It is a medium through which we can interact with the hardware using software. It controls all the activities of a computer. There are various types of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Time for a fact file. The Linux is also a very popular operating system software. It is available free of cost. The most popular versions of Linux are Red Hat, Mint, Fedora, Ubuntu. Windows is a graphical user interface (GUI), pronounced as GUI, between a computer and its user. It has been developed by Microsoft, the world's leading software company. Students, who is he? He is Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft. He developed Windows for general-purpose computer systems in 1985. Let us discuss about features of Windows 7. The first GUI version of Windows operating system was Windows 95. Since then, many versions of Windows have been released. The most popular versions of Windows are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7 and Windows 8. Windows 7 operating system has become very popular because of the following features. Students, who is he? He is Satya Nadella, an American business executive, engineer and the current Chief Executive Officer of Microsoft. He was appointed CEO on 4th of February 2014. He is an Indian by birth. Attractive and easy to use. Windows 7 has a very attractive appearance with colorful themes. The use of graphics make it quite interactive. It works the way we want and makes new things possible. Searching made easier. Using Windows 7, we can quickly search any file or folder in our computer. Flexible taskbar. The taskbar of Windows 7 is more flexible and application-oriented, unlike the previous versions of Windows. We can pin our favorite programs on the taskbar for easy access. The new arrow peak feature allows us to turn the open windows transparent and make the desktop of the computer visible. To do so, just point and click on the right edge of the taskbar. Windows supports multitasking. Windows 7 can effectively perform more than one task at a time. For example, we can type letters in MS Word while enjoying music using Windows Media Player. Jump List. This is a new feature that takes us straight to the documents, pictures, songs, or websites you have recently visited. To open a jump list, right-click on a program button on the Windows 7 taskbar. For example, the jump list for Internet Explorer shows the recently opened websites. Cascading windows. This option is displayed when you right-click the taskbar. The cascading windows option arranges all the open windows from the top left corner of the screen to the bottom right in layers. Students, can you tell me what is jump list? Okay, let us understand how to start Windows. When we switch on a computer, Windows OS starts loading into the computer's memory. Once the process is completed, the first screen that appears on the monitor is known as the desktop. It contains some graphics or symbols known as icons. Now let us talk about Start button. This is probably the most used button on the Windows desktop. When we click the Start button, a menu displaying the major options appears. These options provide access to the main programs on a computer. Now let us talk about computer icon. The computer folder displays the contents of the computer's hard disk, CD or DVD, or any other external storage media such as a pen drive. Using the computer icon, we can access and manage all the folders and files stored in a computer. It is useful for finding, organizing, moving, and copying files and folders in a computer. Double-clicking on the computer icon opens the computer folder. Address bar displays the complete path of the selected file or folder. Back button. It lets you navigate to the previously opened folders without closing the current window. Forward button. After using the back button, you can use the forward button to again move to the current open window. Toolbar provides buttons for common tasks according to the file or folder selected by you. Folder drives. Navigation pane. It is the left pane that displays a list of drives and folders. Search box allows you to quickly search files or folders in the current folder. Right pane. It displays the contents of the folder that has been selected in the left pane. Okay, let us talk about files and folder. File is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device, such as hard disk, CD, DVD, or pen drive. As we keep important papers in a file, similarly, any information in a computer is saved in the form of a file. Each file is given a file name which helps us to find the desired file. Folder. As we keep all our files in a file cabinet, similarly a folder in a computer is like a cabinet where we keep relevant files. A folder can hold other folders as well. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. You can differentiate a file from a folder with the help of icons associated with them. Alright, let us understand how to create a file. The most common method to create a file is by using any application software. Open Microsoft Word. A blank page is displayed on the screen. Start typing the text on the blank page. After completing your work, save your file using the File tab, then go to Save option and type a file name in the Save As dialog box. This creates a new file. Student, note that Ctrl+N is a shortcut key to create a new file. Okay, now let us find out how to create a folder. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Place the pointer on the new option. A list of sub-options appears. Click on the folder option. A new folder icon will be displayed on the desktop. Type a name for the folder at the cursor position and press the Enter key. A new folder is created. Student, note that Shift+Del key is delete files or folders permanently.